Hey guys, this is Nisha and I'm a hair expert with Be Beautiful. Here we are again. It's that time of the year when humidity is at its absolute max and sweat and grime just makes the hair really rebellious. Hence, braids are the perfect quick fix in this weather. Today I'm going to be showing you a braid with a twist, literally. Okay, moving on to the hairstyle. I've prepped my hair with a Dove Hair Therapy Hair Fall Serum. It keeps the hair really soft and just stays better. The hairstyle just stays better. This hairstyle is very cute. It's really messy, it's loose, and it's just perfect for when you're going out on those first few dates with someone. I'm going to move on to the hairstyle now. Roughly you can brush through your hair. And you don't need to use a brush for this hairstyle at all. You can just use your hands. I'm just going to put my bangs on this side. I'm going to take some of this hair like this, divide the hair into two pieces, and just twist. I'm going to take some of the hair from the bottom here like this and just going to twist. This hairstyle is just so perfect when you're going out on the first few dates. I'm just going to use a bobby pin and just clasp it here. Depending on the thickness of your hair, you could use one or two bobby pins. Moving on to the other side. I'm going to follow the same procedure here. I'm going to take the hair here, divide it into two pieces and twist. Take some of the hair here again, twist. Now once we reach this section here, we're going to just hold it with a pin for a minute. And just pull out the hair a little here just to make it look a little softer. It just looks really nice, romantic. You can see already I've already done with the twists here. And now I'm going to take the back of my hair here and just gonna twist the hair overall. Can you see a little bit here? That's it. And just bring it on to this side here. Now to hold this section of the hair here behind, I'm going to use another bobby pin. It's not even going to show and just going to clasp it. So when we start with the side braid, it's just easier. So now that we're done with the twist, we're going to move on to the braid. There's one thing that you have to take a note of, as this hairstyle is meant to be messy, romantic, loose. That's a whole look. We're now going to divide the hair into three sections, as you do when you're making a braid. And just as where you feel the hairs just started to fall out, we're going to clasp it with a rubber band. Now, as most of you might have layered hair like I do, your hair is going to pop out like this, but you don't need to worry about that. It can be really easily fixed. All you need to do is just have a U-pin in handy. Now we're just going to mess up this braid a little and just fluff it out. One thing that you need to remember is quick fixes are only a last-minute option. I take really good care of my hair and I use this hair oil, the Dove Elixir Hair Oil. It keeps my hair really well nourished as well and just gives a natural healthy glow. So that's it for the look, guys. It's just as easy as that. As you can see, it's really cute, really romantic, has a really fairy feel to it, don't you think? Get out there, play, laugh, sing, dance, and don't worry about the frizzy hair or the flyaways. A messy braid is just as cute as a neat one, especially for a busy girl like you. So see you soon for more braids and other DIYs. Bye!